Video inspection of the Eurotech 545SL-Y 5-axis machine. This machine is complete with a parts carrier or conveyor, a FANUC, 32 IMB control, chip conveyor, whatever tooling is in the turret, plus 3 Z-axis tools. Coolant system. This machine will come with a magazine bar loader, a alpha, an LNS alpha bar loader. Serial number 12380, and I'll show you the main tag. Also, this machine does come with a transformer, foot pedal. I'm going to open the cabinet, look inside real quick. This machine does come with 2 collet chucks, and as you can see, this is set up with a BA5 on it. Okay, on this machine there is 1 cross drill. Is that correct? Yes, 1 cross drill and 3 Z-axis rotary tools, plus OD and ID tools. They're all individual reversible, and a cutoff tool block. Okay, we're going to operate this machine and demonstrate it, and I think we're going to go from 2000. Oh, we're going to show you the tool arm first. And then we're going to demonstrate that the machine has a 2,000 to 5,000 RPM later, and same for the sub spindle. And this is the parts catcher. And then that goes into the parts conveyor, and it's operating right now. Okay, let's demonstrate the machine in
spindle.
Okay, front spindle. I'm about 5 inches from this front spindle. RPM?
5,000.
That's 5,000 RPM. Two, 2,500. Okay. Sub spindle. 2,500. I'm about 3 inches away. 5,000. Back to 2,500. And then off. Okay, we're going to do a quick demonstration of the machine's movements. This is a 5-axis machine with both CNC on sub and main, plus 3-axis turret. Forward and reverse, indexing. Can you manually do it?
I can do the Y.
Yeah. We don't need to see that.
Yeah, I can program that.
Y-axis movement. This machine is very quiet to 2015, and yeah, this is a 2015 very quiet, almost a new condition in sense of operation. Okay. This will conclude the inspection of the Eurotech Elite 545SL-Y 5-axis turning center.